Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold fell 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 4.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices fell over 1% and were on track for their biggest drop on a percentage basis in 1.5 months, as recent US employment data lowered expectations for a bigger rate cut, while markets awaited minutes of the US Federal Reserve's latest policy meeting for fresh signals. The Canadian dollar weakened to a 7-year low against its US counterpart on Tuesday, as the price of oil fell 4%, and investors reassessed the outlook for Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. Major cryptocurrency exchange and service provider Crypto.com is launching a legal battle against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, with the goal of protecting the future of the crypto industry in the country.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's 10Y bond auction will be released at 9:30 GMT, Germany's exports at 6 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 6 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change will be released at 14:30 GMT, Germany's trade balance at 6 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.